If your chart looks like this, that might be the reason why you're losing money. Today, I'll teach you a simple price action strategy that doesn't rely on indicators and that has a very high win rate. So make sure to watch till the end. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to like and subscribe if you gain any value from this video. Let's go. So the first step will be to remove every single indicator from the chart. So we want a clear chart so that we can start identifying opportunities. So let me look for an opportunity and come back and take a trade. Okay, we have a first opportunity right here. I just took a trade with the buyers. So the strategy is very simple. Okay, let's see how this one closes. So that was a win. So we rely on price action. We basically look at zones that were previously respected. So you have this respected resistance area right here. So it rejected quite a few times. So this rectangle right here. So as you can see, we had a resistance area which was broken by this demand area, this one right here. So it was broken by this demand area. And I waited, I drew a horizontal line exactly at the demand area, waited for the market to get to that zone, and immediately it did. I took a trade with the buyers and it won. So make sure to follow me, follow our Telegram community. I leave the link in the description. And if you're interested with the broker I use, I'll also leave the link to it in the description as well. Let's continue. Okay, we might have an opportunity right here. Okay, I took a trade with the sellers. So although our previous candle right here, so this candle right here, we see a lot of buyers pressure, but we can also see a lot of sellers pressure in this candle right here. So the market, the candlesticks signify indecision in the market. So I took that trade because of this double top right here. So you have this double top. We broke the neckline. So this is the neckline right here. And we created this demand, this supply area, sorry. So once it got to this point, I took a trade. And let's see how this one closes. So I think it will reject. Let's wait and see. So yeah, that was a winning trade, and let's look for more opportunities. Okay, I'm waiting for this one to get to my entry. Okay, there we go. Okay, I thought I just took a trade. Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay, my entry was delayed. Okay, I'll take another trade if it comes up. So I just took two trades right here. So because my first trade was down here and I wanted to take it exactly on this horizontal line. So okay, they are all going to be winning trades, but I wasn't confident, I wasn't sure about my first entry. So we have this chart pattern, we call it the head and shoulder. So this was the same chart that I took my first trade on. So we broke this lower low, as you can see, this higher low right here, as you can see. So we broke it with this candle right here, and before breaking it, we had this supply area. So I came and drew a horizontal line at the supply area, and because of this chart pattern, so these are this head and shoulder chart pattern, I've made a video about it. I'll leave it in the description. So I waited for the market to get back to my supply, and once it did, I took a trade right here. So if you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a like and a comment. I really appreciate. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.